Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very full coverage face and I did my brows a little bit longer. That's because I want to add on to the Nars Singles video, but I want to do a very dramatic type of eye because I noticed like the last couple of looks that I have on my Instagram, they're just black and white. I have one super colorful, but I don't have like a super nice blended out colorful fun smoky eye. I think I'm gonna attempt to do one. I always see these Instagram posts, which you guys see too, you know, like all these people with amazing smoky eyes, super like colorful, gigantic, super blended. So that's what we're gonna go for today, and I'm gonna sit here and make it happen until it happens. Like, we're gonna make it happen. So let me zoom you guys in and then we'll start attempting this amazing smoky eye. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I have everything. So I'm just gonna start out with the NARS eyeshadow base. And I'm gonna start out with a nude shade to kind of brighten the eye. So this one's from the Kat Von D palette. Okay, and I think I want to do like a... Should we do a blue smoky eye? Let's do a blue that goes into a pink. So I'm just going to start out with the OUTMERER, which is the bluest shade in the whole collection. I'm just going to start out with the inner corner. In the outer corner. I'm just going to use a bigger brush to blend it. Okay, that's a pretty good shape. Let's do the other eye. Okay, it's coming along. I had to really build this matte shade, like it's kind of a hard... Blue's always hard to build, you know? There you go, now we're getting there. Okay, now I'm gonna add the pink, but I think before I add the pink, I'm gonna cut the crease a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to build a pink on the lid, and I'm going to use a flutter brush. I think this one's called SULTAN. Okay, now that we've got that pink there, I'm going to blend a little bit more of the blue. Just so it's not forgotten, you know? Okay, and I think on top of that pink I'm going to add LUNAR, just to add a little bit of a shine. Okay, it's coming together. What I'm gonna do now is add a little bit of, I think it's called TULUM, which is like the brown, just to the edges of this blue to make it stand out a little more. There you go. Now I'm going to do the bottom. So I'm going to do the same blue on the bottom. I've been very quiet this whole time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the dark color, which is Nightbreed, and I'm just going to darken the edges. Okay, and then for the inner corner, I'm going to use a little bit of Rio del Plaza. And where I added a little bit of TULUM, I think I'm going to add a little bit of Domination, which is like a warmer pink, because I think it'll add some kind of fun color to it. Okay guys, so this is it. I'm gonna add some mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is a look. I put some mascara and eyeliner. I did a little bit of a wing eyeliner just to kind of extend my eyes out. And I am actually extremely happy with how this came out. I was very quiet the entire video because I was focusing on creating the shape and the colors and figuring out like what should I add to make this better, and I feel like it paid off a lot. This is probably the coolest, iciest, pinkest, bluest, you know, look I've ever done, and it complements my eyes so well. Like I am so shocked, you know, that this came out like this. Like it came out this good and it looks good in person, you know, like live and moving and stuff. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As usual, I'm going to be putting photos and videos so you can see the vision behind the look. If you want to see more looks like this and you're like, oh my god, I wonder what else he did, but you don't want to scroll through all my videos on YouTube, you can go head on over to Instagram. You can see all the photos, you know, all the looks, and then you can come back here and check out the tutorial if you want to see how it's done. Yeah, I guess that's it. I'm going to cut this video short. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell button. And if you like the video, go ahead and like and share. That helps me a lot. And I'll see you guys on the next one.